circling back around to Solid, a user, Mike, contacted me and let me know that he created a forum for regular folks like you and me to go and discuss how to make Solid work for us. And it's brand new, up and running. As you can see, there aren't a whole lot of posts just yet. So if you want to start networking with some folks, head on over to solidtalk.io. One of the things I found interesting is right here in the how-to guides and resources. You come down there, click on the topic, and we have under other Solid hacks. And the Solid hacks look like step-by-step instructions on how to do things like hosting a web page on your pod, hosting a one-page game, URL shortening, creating a real-time markdown editor, saving a markdown document to your pod, and hosting snippets. Then we go on to chapter 2, working with pods, learning about the Solid from the command line, creating group URIs, hosting a pod on your own domain with CNAME, and then we're going into some technical stuff. Here we go, working with panes. Now that is something that I was curious about last time we were exploring it. So creating a personal diary, creating a slideshow, creating an audio playlist, and create a presentation from text. We've got chapter 4, integrations, integrating Solid with Mastodon, cool, integrating Solid with Facebook, super cool, integrating with Amazon S3, like triple super cool, and integrating with Jitsi. I don't know what that is, but maybe someone out there is going, oh, cool. We've got the appendices, so we've got Solid resources and Solid communities. So where I'd like to start off exploring is how to host my own web page on my pod. So let's go, let's dive into this. You ready? Let's start. So this hack enables you to host traditional web pages on your Solid pod. Solid is 100% backwards compatible with the existing web. Hosting a web page on your pod couldn't be easier. So they say. We're about to find out, aren't we? It can either be a normal HTML page or interactive using JavaScript. I'm just going to do HTML right now because I'm not going to let you watch me fail at JavaScript. So we're going to create a public web page hosted on your Solid pod, which can be accessed from, and it'll look something similar to this URL. Browse to your Solid pod. Now I went to Inrupt.net to access my commercial pod. I don't know if this is supposed to be in the community pod or the commercial pod, or maybe it can be both. So we're going to find out, but right now I'm just starting with my commercial pod. And since you want everybody to be able to see it, you go to your public folder. So within your public folder, click on the green plus sign on your data browser, and if you click on that link, it shows that this is the definition of their data browser. It's basically just the home page, everything right there. Oops, was intelligent. Alright, so close that one. So we're going to go to our public folder. We are going to click the plus sign, we are going to click the new folder, and we're going to give it the name My Site. There we go. Now I was trying earlier and I accidentally clicked. The picture confused me a little because I thought this was the example right here, so I clicked on that to create my site. Silly me. Don't make the same mistake that I did. So you click on the folder icon and you give it that name, My Site. So there is my new folder, My Site. And within that folder, we want to click on the green plus sign within the My Site folder to create a new source. So this picture is the source. Duh, I should have known that. But by clicking on the icon, you give this the name webpage.html. So we'll click on, oops, gotta click that, and click that. There we go. So webpage.html. And, okay, success. This will create a file, webpage.html, in your public My Site folder. Expand webpage HTML and hover over the top, which will give you the ability to edit the source. Hover over the top. There we go. So how do you edit? View, source. I guess we want to do the source again. There we go. So you got to actually click on the source button. And now click on the pencil and we can edit it. Cool. In the text box, type something or paste something suitably kitsch. Example, hello, solid world. And click the green tick. Congratulations, you have just published first web page to solid. Wow, that is pretty easy. So, what do I want to say? Hello world, this is the new world Optimist. Whoop whoop, there we go. Green tick. Am I doing anything? I would think it would collapse or something. Click that? No? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, there we go. Guess it just takes a moment. Gotta be patient. So, drag and drop a file to the green plus, and it will be uploaded to that directory. If you want to start a site within the My Site folder, you can name the HTML file index.html, and this way the contents of the folder will not be shown as a solid pod folder, but your HTML file will be used instead. Cool. So, if we come back up here, and I go, oops, I'm just gonna copy, actually, no, I'll just open that in a new tab. Of course, it didn't like it. So, mine would just be New World Optimist, right? Or do I have to put the Inrupt? Okay. Did not like that. So let's try the .inrupt.net. Ah, well, there we go. So, there is my first web page. Now, in this next one, I will definitely try to go back and make it a little cooler and see what I come up with. So, let's check out the demo right here. Yep, hello, solid world. Exercises. For fun, try and create some short files using only copy and paste. Oh, JavaScript hacks and creative coding. Okay, so write any JavaScript with 6 characters, jsfuck.com. Let's see, blind drawing the Mona Lisa in, wow. I gotta tell ya, you developers are a creative bunch. I have no idea what most of this is. Translate JavaScript into Japanese. Tweetris. Play binary Tetris. 2015 animated Starfield. Symmetric JavaScript. Play in 512 bytes. Pac-Man. Oh, there are lots of fun little challenges here. So, Pac-Man, I'm going to put Pac-Man on my side. Goes down here. Tweetris. I like the Tweetris. Pac-Man, let's see what happens. So, code golf. Play the demo real quick. Let's see what the demo looks like. Aww. It is so rudimentary. Where's the little ghosts? I don't see any little ghosts. Okay, so maybe I don't want Pac-Man. Creative coding. Oh, what the heck, I'm gonna put this photo up here. So it says that you can just copy and paste it, right? So let's go back, edit. Put that on the next line. Let's click OK. So when you click the green tick, it saves it, but you actually have to click the X to get out of it. Well, my picture is not nearly as cool. Whoa! That did not quite come out how I was hoping it would, but okay, at least it's still there. You probably have to do some kind of formatting. So let's take that away. And check. And then the X. And the exits out. Okay. Let's see, is there anything else interesting? I don't think I'll do the ready-made type. Let's come up here. Spinning globe embedded in JavaScript code. Let's try that one. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alright, so let's see if I can get, if I just copy and paste, can I get this? What? Highlight, highlight. Let's go on. Ah! Okay, Control A, Control C. Do it the easy way. There we go. Go down a little. Green tick, black X. Where am I? Oh yeah, that's the one that I didn't like. So let's refresh. Nope. Didn't work for me. So I guess I probably have to sharpen my markdown skills in order to get the format to actually look like what it's supposed to look like. But still, copy and paste if you want simple text. See, is there anything else? Nope, that was it. So let's move on to hosting a one-page game. I'm going to definitely mark this helpful. Excellent job. I must note that I find it quite interesting that in less than 7 minutes, or in about 7 minutes, a total noob was able to do this. So Solid might actually be a lot easier than I initially thought. Just took a little extra instruction, and, well, you know, between these hacks and the forum, we might actually be able to create something pretty cool here.